Hi, this is Griffin with Huisen Furniture. Today we're going to be building the Mainstays 3-cube organizer. This is our white finish and it can be found in walmart.com or in the stores. Before you start, you want to check to see that none of your panels have any damage and they have all of your hardware. If you have any problems, you can refer to this number and we'll get you taken care of. If everything else is in order, then you can begin assembly. For step 1, you're going to need your 2 B panels and 4 D panels. Start by taking your wood dowel pieces and inserting them in to the D panels. You will want to insert them into the middle pre-drilled hole. Okay, after you've done that, you can stand up one of your B panels with the side that has more holes facing towards your D panels. Start by attaching a D panel to this other one, and then using 2 screws, screw it in. Repeat this process for the remaining 3 panels. Next, you want to attach this B panel to the rest of the assembly. After you have screwed in all of the panels, you will want to take 16 of the caps and stick them on to all of the screws on the outside of the unit. So for our last step, we're going to want to grab this back panel, lay it flat down on this middle cube, line up the edges. Then we're going to take our little nail holder and secure this panel to the back. Now your unit is complete.